Okay guys, it's time. On the last giveaway, I said to enter a number from 1 to 5,000 and to put it on the comments below that video. And the one that came the closest without going over would win. So I'm going to show y'all what I decided to do for this giveaway. It's a smaller box, yes. And I've got some reasoning behind all of my things that I'm doing. But anyway, I have got a stack. I didn't count them. I just grabbed them to fill up the box of these little cards that you can make journals out of, or you can actually make many. You can make many journals out of them. You can make journaling cards. You can make anything you want to. You can split them, do whatever you want to. 2 spray bottles, a bunch of flat back gems in different colors. I believe there's 10 of these tags in here. 5 of these bags that, glassine bags, and you can make pockets out of them. And you can cut them in half and actually make double pockets out of them. There's tons of things you can do with these. A pair of these scissors, and this is Design It Makes. Bows in pink and purple. A thing of embroidery floss, a washi tape in blues and golds, some cardboard tags, and the holes to punch out up here, and here's the twine that goes with it, and there's a lot of these. 2 watercolor brushes. You just fill with water and use them to do your painting. A new glue stick. 2 of these. You can either make one journal and you glue this down here, or you can make 2 mini journals out of them. But they're the little binder clips, the little 3-ring binder thing. I don't have strength in my hand to open them right now. I took off a section of, hold on, the paper that came in my Happy Paper People subscription box, and then put the rest of it back in here. I just cut a small section off for me. All of these papers that came with this month's Happy Paper People subscription that I won't be using, so I'm putting them back in here. And yeah, I'm recycling their box. I'm getting the envelope that came with it. And inside that envelope, the stamp that came, which I already had the stamp, so yeah. And then this retro set is, I can't see how many pieces are in here or if it says. But anyway, it's all these little ladies in retro clothing. And then this set of papers that came with the, because I just have too much in vintage look now that I won't be using this stuff. So I'm putting that in here as part of the giveaway. And I thought I had another washi tape. And you know, the thing is, if you notice, it hasn't sealed yet. So there may still be some more stuff that I can squeeze in here. So there might be some surprises to the winner who won't see what they're getting, because that would just come as an extra. If I can get any more in here, that is. The glue stick, the paint brushes. Well, let's get these. Now, why did I just do that? I stuck it on there. Alright, let's get these in here. Now put the paint brushes in here. Tags and the twine. I don't know. I may be able to get some Coffee Dad paper folded on top of this. We'll see. But this is what this giveaway is. And the number I chose was 4,243. 4243. And I went back over it in black because I had originally written it in gold, and I wasn't sure y'all be able to see it. And I don't think anybody can get any closer than 4,244, but Marcy Ellsworth did it. She picked 4,244. She didn't go over. She's the closest, so Marcy, this is going in the mail to you. Now, the next giveaway. Well, let me just show you. It's going to be, you have to pick a number, 5,000 to 10,000. Enter only once. So put your number in the comments on this video. It's going to run from February 28th to March 28th. The more comments that I get with people listing depends on the size of the box. So I have some things I want to put in it already sitting here. I have some resin steampunk gears that I made. That will be in this giveaway. I have a wax sealing kit. That will be in this giveaway. That's not part of it. That's not part of it. Hold on. So, here are the wax seals. Here is the head. Here are some candles. Here is the little thingamajigger that you melt the wax in. And what happened to the... Okay, it does not have the wax melter, but you can melt on in anything. Now these are resin, but you don't have to use resin. I'll tell you a little secret to this little trick. These go in it, and you can actually, you can do the wax melts and put them in here, and then make like a little magnet out of it. You can put a picture in there. You can put dried flowers in there. Anyway, use your imagination. There's a lot of things you can put in there. You get some twine with it. Wooden flower. You have a gold and a silver metallic paint pen. And these didn't come with this wax kit. They're just in here because they fit in the box. This isn't all. Like I said, it depends on how many people comment as to how much will go in there. Like, let's say only 20 people enter. This is it. This is the prize. 40 people enter. I'll get a bigger size box and keep adding new stuff in it. If 50 people, I'll add some more. You know, it all depends on you guys. I gave away a medium priority box already. And we didn't really have that many comments, but I went ahead and did it because I had offered it. But the more people who enter the contest, so tell your friends. And yes, you do have to be subscribed to my channel to win, because I do check, and if the person was not subscribed to my channel and they won, then I redo it and give it to somebody who is supporting my channel, supporting me. So this drawing will be done on March the 28th. It will run for 1 month. And I am truly hoping you guys help me get it to a large priority box so I can get stuff out of the house. But if you don't, then that's okay too. But, you know, tell your friends, tell them to come over here and subscribe, make a guess. I'm not going to be saying I will do a giveaway every single week until I clear out the house because of the cost of postage. But I am going to say I will do at least one a month. And the more people who are participating is the larger the giveaway will be. Now, when you make your comment with your guess from 5,000 to 10,000 this time, tell me, would you rather have, I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, do it once a month with the possibility of a larger giveaway, or just space them out, you know, according to participation on the channel, because it could be, you know, some views are down to like 10, and some views are up to 100. So my views are really down on my videos now, guys. So I need y'all to go watch and comment on them. And maybe I will do something like in the future for giveaways, edit current videos and say, you know, okay, I put an ending on it and say, okay, this is going to be a giveaway video. But I'm not going to tell y'all which video I put it on. I would just announce, okay, I've done it. Y'all have to go watch the videos and find out which one it is. Because I can splice the video in the middle and put it in there. This is a giveaway video. You need to comment here on this video to win. Or, you know, I can put it at the beginning, I can put it at the end, I can put it anywhere. So, yeah. I'm kind of thinking I may have to go that route to get views back up, since I was out sick and kind of lost, you know, a lot of subscribers because I stopped doing bingo. So I'm kind of hoping those guys will realize there's more to me than just giving stuff away and come back. But I really need you guys to help me de-stash and declutter all of these craft supplies I have here that I'm not going to ever use again. So, besides, I don't want all this stuff if I, you know, die in the next couple of years. I don't want all my stuff going to the dump. Do you? Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you put your guess 5K to 10K.
Unknown caller.
And of course there goes my phone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.